how did you have to adapt your processes when dealing with Nestor? Was that something that you had to get your heads around?
No, of course not. It was the same procedure, in fact, that we took the same steps. We had in our RFQ multiple suppliers at the same table, some of them big, very big ones, international, in fact, but also local as corporate as we are. So the RFQ was the same. Let's say the happy context was the fact that, as I said before, we were in a very big hurry with making the decisions. So all our teams were working together on the most, let's say, short deadlines that we could have had. But otherwise, just despite the fact that we're in a hurry, there was no exception, no other adapt processes. No.
Okay, great, thank you. And Bogdan, you also spent some time in Orange's Fab accelerator. What was the process that Fab took you through, and what were your learnings from that accelerator?
So first of all, the Fab was the one that introduced us to Orange and made it possible for us to showcase our solution to the internal HR and IT departments at the right time, because they already have decided that they will look outside of the organization. The Fab was and is for us a great opportunity to learn more about the local European market, especially when it comes to enterprise clients. We learned a lot about how an acquisition process goes from start to finish and how it works in large corporations, how to think in terms of deploying the platform and the process alike, and how to set the right steps to make it a success.